everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 872 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another product from my June 2020 Boxy Luxe box to try out, and this is from Lilly Lashes. It's the X Mascara, and I have never tried out a Lilly Lashes product. Lilly Lashes is really popular for their false lashes, especially the Miami version of the Lilly Lashes, which I would love to try out, but I haven't gotten around to it. I use a lot of very inexpensive, like dollar store lashes, so I have never actually really tried out a more expensive lash. But I'm excited to try out this mascara. I love trying out mascaras. And so this mascara retails for $24. You can buy it at Ulta, and it claims to do all of the things that I want my mascara to do, like darken the lashes, volumize, and it claims to do that in just one swipe. So that would be impressive. I like when I don't have to spend forever layering up my mascara. Cute packaging on this as well. It feels like nice packaging. So let's check out the applicator. Okay, this to me looks like a very classic mascara applicator. It does have the brush bristles. I sometimes prefer more of like the silicone plastic bristles that are more like stubby rather than the brush bristles. So here is what it looks like. It's a pretty uniform shape. It's also kind of big, which can tend to be messy and kind of annoying when it gets on the eyelid, but we'll see how it does. So I'm gonna go right ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes. Ooh, something I do notice right away is that very dark, full black color, which I do really like. And it's going on really, really nicely. No clumping at all. And it's keeping the lashes separated. That's something that I look for in a mascara, is I like for my lashes to stay fanned out and individually coated. I don't like when they start to stick together, and this really does a beautiful job of that. So there is my one coat, and it does look really good, but it doesn't look very volumizing or lengthening. The main thing that it did is just coat my lashes in a black color. So I hope I'll be able to layer it up for some more volume. But while I let that first layer kind of dry down, I'll go ahead and try this on the lower lashes. Surprisingly, this wand is not very messy. The lower lashes are tough. I'm getting a little bit of mascara on my under eye, but so far, no mascara on my eyelid. So that's great. I hate having to wipe the mascara away. So decent on the lower lashes. I had to go in very lightly to try and not get the mascara all over my under eye. So it did do a good job, of darkening all the lashes. So I like it. And now let's see if I can build up some length and volume. It does seem to be layering up to be more volumizing. Yeah, it is looking good. It's lengthening and it's volumizing as I'm layering it up. But it claimed it only took one swipe to do that, but I would say it takes a second layer. But when you add that second layer, wow, it really does look so nice. I love how dark the lashes are. It just really makes them stand out. And I love this formula, how it's keeping all of the lashes separated, but they're getting really volumized. It's coating all the way to the tip of the lashes, which helps lengthen. And it even seems to be slightly lifting, Like I have a little bit more of a curl in my lashes than I did before because I didn't use a lash curler. I probably still would use a lash curler with this just because they're not super, super lifted. Like I do this test where I see if my mascara touches my eyelid, if my lashes are curled up enough, and it's not touching my eyelid. So the curl test of touching my eyelid, it did not pass that test. But these really do look so good, and it's giving that falsy effect because of how dark they are and volumized yet still fanned out. So it looks like I just have so many lashes that they could look false, but they're not. It's from the mascara and it looks really good after those 2 layers. And I love that there is no clumping. It's a very smooth formula and not messy at all. It really did not get on my eyelid, and I am surprised and so happy about that. So let me go ahead and apply it to my other eye to get my final thoughts. But so far, I am very impressed and excited about this. Wow. Yeah, this is still just building up beautifully. So volumizing, yet separating. So the lashes just look so full and beautiful and exactly how I want my lashes to look. I do start to get kind of mesmerized when I apply mascara, especially a really good mascara like this, where I just start sitting here and layering. But truly, you don't have to with this mascara. I think that it reaches amazing volumized effect after just the 2 coats. So I should save my mascara, save my time, and just stop at the 2 coats. But I really do love this and love how my lashes look. I'm picky with my mascaras. I will be completely honest on any little flaw with the mascara, and I see no flaws with this. I really love how my lashes look. And it's funny, I actually was kind of in the mood to put on false lashes today. Maybe it's just because, well, I haven't in so long, but then thinking about Lilly lashes reminds me of falsies, and I'm like, wow, it would be fun to kind of put on some falsies, just get a little bit glam for no reason. But I really, truly am not gonna put on falsies anymore because I just love how my lashes look. I don't feel like I need them at all with the makeup look I wanna do today because of this mascara. And I think that says a lot. I think it would be fun though if in a future Boxycharm box we do get some Lilly lashes, the false lashes, because I really want to try them out. And since now I know we get Lilly lashes, that brand, in Boxycharm. But I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of the Lilly lashes products, whether it's this mascara, their falsies. Let me know your thoughts on them. Do you think that they live up to the hype? Also, I may have forgotten to mention that I did an unboxing video of my June Boxy Luxe box that I got from Boxycharm, and in that video I show you everything that I got in the box, so I'll have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the products I got, because I'm really excited about the products I got in my box, and that'll also give you a little spoiler alert of the products to come that I'll be trying out in my upcoming videos, and also the products that I'll be using in my full face makeup tutorial of all of the Boxycharm products that I got for the month of June. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.